Respected students, welcome back everyone. Today's video is about interviewer's favorite question, that is how to create toggle button in Power BI. You all know that in some of the companies in second or third scenario based round, manager round, interviewer tell you to perform practically, to write the DAX or do some of the visualization like these things. So this is the interviewer favorite question, how to create toggle button. So properly practically I'm going to explain you, I'm going to show you how to create. Side by side you can also create in on your database which you are having, or data set which you are working, you can create easily. It is very simple task. And if interviewer panelist will ask you this question, he will give you like 5 to 8 minutes to create that, and it is very simple. Okay, and if you will perform, or if you will show this means how to create toggle button properly na, see, guaranteed I can tell you it will really impress the interviewer panelist, and somewhere it will help you to conquer your interview. Okay, so before starting the video, if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos, and follow us on social media, especially Telegram and Instagram. Okay, we are posting new job openings, everything like today's learning post are there, MCQ quiz are there. If anything we are taking test like, then we are also posting on our Telegram channel. So let's start with the video. Okay, very simple. So first of all, what I will do, first of all I will copy this both visual I will copy. Okay, here I will paste, and again I will copy. Okay, this both visual along with this both slicers, specific slicers I have copied. Okay, this close date slicer is for our second table. See, you can see changes are happening in second table, and now you can see in first table the changes are happening here. See this first table, it is filtering out. Okay, so how to create toggle button I will show you. Very simple it is. Okay, so this close date slicer is filtering for this second table campaign name, and this case created slicer is filtering on our account section. Okay, now just do one thing, go to this view tab, click bookmark and selection. These are the main important things for creating toggle button. So just uh, first of all I will delete this, I will show you from scratch properly. Okay, now we will create one bookmark. Okay, here we will write account section. Okay, and second bookmark for campaign name. Okay, so in this bookmark you can create bookmark. In selection pane, what it will show now, it will show all the visuals which are there on our page. Okay, so what you want here like toggle button. Okay, then it will show account section and campaign name, and when you will click on account section, it will show just this account section table and slicer for it. And when you will click on campaign name, it should show just campaign name table and its slicer which is filtering out. Okay, like this, so that we don't need to create 2 3 pages for 2 3 different tables or visual on same page. On same page we can do it. Why toggle button is created, how it is used, that also I will tell you orally, but let us check it practically first. Okay, now we have done. So when you will click on account section, you only want slicer and account section table. So first of all, let's hide this matrix visual. Okay, and let's hide this slicer as well. Okay, now you can check. Huh, it is same we have done, correct. So now what you have to do for account section, you have done now, just go here uncheck this data and just do this update. Okay, that's it. For campaign name, go here. Okay, for campaign name, you have to hide this table and you have to hide this slicer for it. Okay, and this close date is okay. Correct, we have done. Just increase the width of this table properly and just go in this campaign name. Okay, and update this bookmark. That's it. Okay. So now again what we'll do, go to insert tab, go to this button navigator and bookmark navigator. Okay. So see, now here first of all only two bookmarks are there, so only two bookmark name are shown, account section, campaign name. If many are there, for example 8 10 are there, then in that case what you do, just make group. Okay, click on add bookmark, make it as group. Okay, and then drag these bookmarks under it like this. Drag this bookmark under it. First of all delete this one. Okay, and just go to this bookmark, and for example if 10 to 15 bookmarks are there, then whichever it is required you can group it and just select this group. For example, now go here, select this one again, and now it will show in all, it will show group 1 here, whatever group you have selected. Okay, you can also decrease its size like this and bring here in middle. Okay, and whenever you are clicking on this account section, it will show for account section. Whenever you are clicking on campaign name, it will show for campaign name. You can also do this thing that you can place one slicer over another here. Mostly date slicers we keep in real-time projects also, we keep that in our right hand side only. Okay, and one more thing, before publishing report, make sure in view tab, page width, fit to width. Okay, it should be fit to width only. The reason why, because in Power BI service it will show properly whole screen your report. Okay, so this way toggle button is created. Okay, see, once again I will show you. If you are just use control, control and click on account section, it will show whole account section table. Okay, okay, and if you will click on campaign name, then it will show whole our campaign name table. Okay, this way bookmarks are toggle button is created along with bookmark. So why we use this toggle button in real time project, whether it will be used 100 not 500%, I'm guaranteeing you, in real time projects it will be used 100 500%. I'm guaranteeing you, because they see there are many tables will come, many visuals will come. So every time what client will say na, or what you additional value you give to your client or your Power BI report is that, see, we don't keep creating these new tabs. So only in one tab here what we can do, two tables we have placed here. If 5 or 8 tables would be there na, that also we would have done easily in this toggle button. Just client has to click this, and that too control plus we are clicking with the help of control. The reason is because it is Power BI desktop. If you will publish this report in Power BI service na, only just one click will help you there. Okay, this way toggle button is created. Once again I will repeat it. First what we did, we copied these table slicers on this page. Okay, we created this bookmark. Okay, like this we gave name, and whatever the visuals were required for account section, that we have just shown, and others we have hidden and updated it account section. Same for campaign name. For campaign name, whatever visuals were there, that we kept, others we hide it. Okay, and then we went to insert in these buttons in this navigator, bookmark navigator. Okay, we then created group 1 and we just drag all our bookmarks under group 1 and we have updated it. You can also do one more thing here. Here you can, in this shape, rounded corners you can do, and in this style, bold is required. Okay, and along with 12 13 You can give this style. Okay, these way our toggle buttons are created. This is the 100% question asked in our interview. Make sure you are practicing this question. Whatever I have told you, whatever steps I have told you or shown you here in this video, make sure 3-4 times you are practicing it. And at the time of interview, even if interviewer asks you what things you have done now, make sure you are telling this thing. You are telling you are ready with your data set or Power BI report, and show him, share the screen and show him that I know this, I can show you toggle button in 5 minutes. Make sure if you will do this in 5 minutes, he will be really happy, because this is the 100% thing which is required in real time projects. Okay, the things which you are able to do in real time projects, if you show that in interview, or if you are able to speak that in interview now, make sure, I'm guarantee you 100% your interview will be conquered, you will pass, you will be selected. ठीक है. So thanks for watching till end. If you have any kind of doubt, make sure you are commenting. Within 1 hour I will reply you. ठीक है. And thanks for watching. And if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing, pressing bell icon, share with your friends. If you like the video, share with your friends. ठीक है. Thanks for watching till end everyone.